Good morning, student. I am Devin Singh Jata. Today we will carry on the class 4th EVS textbook chapter 1st, going to school. In previous lecture we have discussed about various kind of bridge. Various kind of bridge like bamboo, rope, concrete, So we discussed different kind of bridge in our previous lecture and also discuss what material we used to made this bridge. Yes or no? So in this lecture we will discuss about some other transportation system that we used to go our school. Now we have already discussed about camel cart, bullock cart, okay. Now today you have to come to the page number 6. You can see in this chapter page number 6 there is a one picture who in this girls are riding a bicycle. So some questions for you are there. The first question is, you should write yourself answer. Do you have bullock cart where you live? Yes. He is asking, question is that, have you find any kind of bullock cart around you? If you found, you should write yes, or if you not found, you should write no. Does it have a roof? If it is having roof, you should write yes. If it not, you should write no. What kind of just a minute. What kind of wheels do they have? Yes, most of the bullock carts we use wooden wheels. By iron ring is there on wooden and it's used. Nowadays we use tires in bullock carts, so it is very easy to pull out that bullock cart because wooden wheel is very heavy and also have a very rough surface and very difficult to pull it. Now make a drawing of the cart in your notebook. So it is your homework. You should make. Homework is that make a drawing of bullock cart. Bullock cart. Okay, so very easy. Now in this you see a picture. Some girls are riding a bicycle. So question, can you ride a bicycle? If yes, who taught you to ride? So question is that, so if you can ride a bicycle, you write first yes and also mention the name of person who taught you to ride a bicycle. How many children come on bicycle to your school? So in our time there are most of the children comes by bicycle. There are 2 or 3 children comes in a bicycle. So you should write yourself how many children you can carry on it. You just write a number of children on it. Now come to the page number 7. There is another picture of Gujarat. Yes, very interesting. there is a what we call it's jugaad. Yeah, a kind of vehicle. I already seen a jugaad in our town area. Some of people used to drag a loading by using tractor engine or motorcycle. So you can see a picture. There is a person who attached a small trolley with it by motorcycle and pull it out. So some question are there for you. It is found mostly in where there is no proper transportation is available. So some question is for you that do you have such vehicle in your area? If you found, you just write yes. What do you call them in your area? Yes, whatever you call that vehicle, you just write the name. We call it just jugaad or fat because it create a lot of sound like fat, that kind of sound. So we call it also fat. So you should write yourself. What would you like to write in something like this? Why? Yes, a very interesting question. You should write the answer of it. If you like writing in this, you should write yes or also mention the reason. Why would you like to write this? Can you tell why it is called jugaad? Yes, it is also an interesting question. Now, you also mention the why you call this jugaad. So a very easy question. Here's some description also given in next to the question. The jugaad has been made by using waste material. So jugaad is made up of waste material. Why won't you also try to make something by putting together some waste material? Yes. So jugaad is made up of waste material. So you can also made us some interesting items by the using waste material like paper, wooden, charcoal, pencils, rubber, pens. You can make a lot of things by using a waste material. So there is another homework for you. You should make a item by using a waste material and send it pic in the group on Monday. Monday means 13/7/2020. Okay. Now come to the page number. Page number 8. There are some picture also. Yes, there is a picture of hilly areas. You can easily watch out. Children cross the jungle. Yes, in hilly areas or forest areas, children are going by foot through the jungle. So it is very difficult to children to reach school by this kind of path, because in forest area so many kind of animals found, reptiles are found, insect also found. So it is very dangerous for those who passing through the jungle. So some question is there. Have you ever seen a thick jungle or any such place? If you visited any kind of place where this kind of thick forest are found, you just write here, write your experience here on notebook. So you also write your experience in notebook. Next picture is given here. As you can also see a snow is there, moving on the snow. So in you know that in our North India, Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, in these areas most of the hilly areas and snow is covered top of the hills. So many peoples live there and travel by these areas through the snow. So as usual, children also going to school by using these path of snow. So here question is that for you, have you ever seen so much snow where in films or somewhere else? The question is that you should write if you see such kind of snow, you write yes, where you found it, where you see it, you just write the names and clear. Now come to the page number 9. Another picture for you. Yes, it is a picture of Uttarakhand. You see, do you think such place have snow all the time? Why? Yes, because this place are found at high altitude at which temperature is very low. So most of the time there is a snow on that areas. Okay. Now rocky path. So another picture for you. Rocky path is there in Uttarakhand or most of the Himalayas areas. Hills, mountains are found. So most of the children going school by using rock paths. So it is also very dangerous for children because in rock paths sometimes children are slide and get hurt, and also sometimes landslide happen during the monsoon time. So it is very difficult to tell children to reach school. So by these condition we show some kind of base by using children to reach their skill. So it doesn't matter what kind of situation you have, you just to reach school. But it is necessary to reach school by having dense forest, farms, mountain, snow, water, whatever. The important thing is going to school. So you have to go to school every day and also write your experience about your school. Okay, now we will finish our class and we will complete our chapter in next lecture. Okay, so you should write your work. Thank you.